Attention guide to keep the septic tank working properly. It must be kept unblocked. Species and paper towels are both organic matter. The first principle of this Python blocker is to dissolve organic matter such as clogged hair, food residue, paper towel scraps, etc. It is in tower form, reacts very quickly, and can efficiently dissolve blockages. It also contains factorial ingredients that can safely disinfect bacteria and eggs attached to the inner wall of the pipe, so that the pipe will not produce odors to affect the air in the house. To ensure a certain quality of life, you must have it.